Welcome to my YouTube channel. Larry Ellison, the renowned American business magnate and co-founder of Oracle Corporation, is known for his extravagant lifestyle and immense wealth. With a captivating rags-to-riches story, Ellison's journey to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals is fascinating. This video will delve into his lifestyle, earnings, and sources of wealth, providing insight into the man behind the success. Larry Ellison was born on August 17, 1944, in New York City. Raised by his aunt and uncle in Chicago, he faced numerous challenges growing up. Despite dropping out of college twice, Ellison's entrepreneurial spirit led him to pursue various ventures, including working for Ampex Corporation. In 1977, he co-founded Oracle Corporation, which would later become one of the world's leading technology companies. Oracle Corporation, under Ellison's leadership, revolutionized the software industry with its innovative database management systems. Ellison played a pivotal role in the company's growth, driving acquisitions and expanding its product offerings. Oracle's success propelled Ellison's wealth and allowed him to indulge in a luxurious lifestyle. With an estimated net worth of over $100 billion, Ellison's opulent lifestyle is a testament to his immense wealth. He is known for his extensive real estate portfolio, which includes lavish properties such as the Japanese-inspired estate in Woodside, California, and the luxurious mansion in Malibu. Ellison is an avid art collector, owning masterpieces by renowned artists such as Picasso and Monet. Additionally, he has a fascination with luxury cars, boasting a collection that features rare and expensive vehicles. Beyond his lavish lifestyle, Ellison has made significant contributions to philanthropic causes. Through the Lawrence Ellison Foundation, he has donated substantial amounts to medical research, education initiatives, and wildlife conservation efforts. Furthermore, Ellison has shown interest in sailing, founding the Oracle Team USA, which has achieved remarkable success in the America's Cup sailing competition. Ellison's vast wealth is primarily derived from his ownership stake in Oracle Corporation. As a co-founder, he accumulated a substantial number of shares over the years, which have experienced significant appreciation. Moreover, Ellison has consistently received substantial compensation as the company's executive chairman and chief technology officer. Apart from Oracle, Ellison has diversified his investment portfolio. He has invested in various technology companies, including Salesforce and Tesla, which have yielded substantial returns. Additionally, Ellison is involved in real estate investments, particularly in the luxurious residential sector. In conclusion, Larry Ellison's lifestyle is synonymous with grandeur and extravagance, reflecting his immense wealth. Through his leadership at Oracle Corporation and shrewd investments, Ellison has amassed a fortune that allows him to indulge in opulent properties, luxury cars, and priceless art. However, it is crucial to recognize his contributions to philanthropy, where he has generously supported various causes. Larry Ellison's success story serves as an inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and showcases the rewards that can be reaped from perseverance and vision.